morning everyone. My name is Fatima from class 5th floor.
My name is Moshita Pandit from class 5th B.
Good morning everyone. My name is Aaditya.
Have a nice morning to all. I am Madesh.
I am Udresh.
I am Vanchi.
I am Vatsal. We are from grade 7 from Aaditya International School, Khargone. Today we are having questions from Nagpur who is conducting 3 days workshop on advanced technology.
Good morning everyone. We are from grade 5th and we are so happy to attend this 3 days workshop from Aaditya International School. My name is Swasti Solanki.
My name is Vanchi Majan.
My name is Aaditya. My name is Akshat. My name is Sadhara Kirani.
My name is Jigay Vaskale.
Now Himanshu is coming for telling us what is the components of IR sensor.
Top of the morning to all. We are the group of LDR legends who are super excited to give presentation on the street light LDR. I am Kavya and we have Vanya, Vani and Arshi. We are all about to combining our skills and creativity to make a difference. Before starting, today we have Mr. Mohsin San who are giving the 3 days workshop on the basics